fly over the whole place. I'm a batty boy there now. Man, I fly about over the whole place I look for. Be a hide, the boy you hide. A boy you talk, boy you hear. You say a zero. Not everywhere on social media you hide. Facebook hero, batty boy stop from hide. You go dead. Suck your mother. Social media world. Tell the boy say, suck. Bumbuckler. Yo, you see some of the people who call up my name. You need to brush your teeth, wash your face, and beard and carry yourself clean. Facebook hero, clone, how are they? Come on. This a man prayed people, and I come and say me prayed people, yeah, fully bad, yeah. Like you want nobody wants it. We are doing the road to get mashed up. Yeah, one hero, YouTube hero, it's gone and ready. Yeah, chip.
I'll be a things are going. I'm gonna need to stop. I don't understand. People might feel that I'm macho, I chat to myself. Me go mad. Jamaica turn body meat market. I mean, I understand, you know. Cause too much woman I get kidnapped and take away. I mean, I understand something there. I'm on the grocery yard. You see me I say? I hear a fly up to a place and when, you know. And I get to find out some response to YouTube. And you know, say, me feel say I am can save all Jamaica from another level. You get me I say? You know what? I'm there attack. You know, so I'm going to call the hero. Because I can't bother the fucker. I'm going to call him. Yeah, hello? You two be rocking a voicemail this man. Chop on Boras, club.
Hello?
Yeah, you two be rock.
Yo.
I'm me, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. That's a go on. Say you know, say I want hero, dog.
Yeah, me general. Yeah, man. Yeah.
We don't need hero in me, G. No problem can solve, you know.
Zane.
In a one go.
Them boy, you know, I understand them, you know. More you take care of one personality to me, you know.
Alright. So you know, see one Facebook hero. Alright then. If you see him, you don't see him. And if you see him, you just see him. And just knock me, yeah? Make me find him, yeah? Yes. Yeah, man. Alright, chop up, yeah. Yo, where are you?
You know me there, hero. Why chop? Everything good?
Yes, man.
I don't know I want hero say, you know.
Look, come on, yeah?